Welcome everybody. So today we'll be continuing computer organization and architecture. So today we'll be studying types of computer. And there are four types of computer: from supercomputer, mainframe computer, minicomputer and microcomputer. So first we'll start from supercomputer. So these are the most powerful computers in terms of performance and data processing. So these are specialized and task-specific computers used by large organizations, like very large organizations. So these are used for research, exploration purposes, like NASA uses supercomputers for launching space shuttles and controlling them, and for space exploration. So this is just one of the examples of supercomputer. So next we have mainframe computer. So mainframe computer run business operations. So like the mainframe computers can be accommodated in large air-conditioned rooms because of its size. And supercomputers are faster computers with large data computer, but mainframes can also process and store large amount of data. So these are comparatively slower than supercomputer. So banks, educational institutes, insurance companies, these use mainframe computers to store data about their customers, students and insurance policies, and it is faster than minicomputer or microcomputer. So next we have minicomputer. So minicomputers are used by small business firms. It is also known as mid-range computers. So these are small machines that can be accommodated on a disk with not as processing and data storage capabilities as supercomputers or mainframes. So these computers are not designed for single user. So individual departments of a large company use mini computers for specific purposes. A production department use mini computer for monitoring certain production processes. So finally we have microcomputers. Basically all general purpose computers are known as microcomputers. These are like the personal computers. So desktop computers, laptops, personal digitals, PDA assistants, tablets, smartphones are all types of microcomputers. So these are widely used and growing faster because these are very small and cheap. See, cheap point is also there. So these are designed for general users like entertainment, education and work purpose. So the manufacturers of it are Dell, Apple and all this. So this was all about types of computers. So if you had any problem, just comment, and if you did like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching it.